All right, let's take a look at these questions about finding real-world scores from z-scores. The weights of a certain dog breed are approximately normally distributed with a mean. So we have the mean, 48 pounds, a standard deviation, and then we have a z-score. And the question is, what is the dog's weight? So this is real-world weight. So we're going from the standard normal score to the real dog score. So the fact that it's negative, the z-score is negative, means we're below average. So this dog is below 48 pounds, but how far? It's not one standard deviation to the left. So between 48 and 6 less 42, between 42 and 48 pounds, we can do all sorts of approximations. However, we have a formula that's provided on the test. It's the z-score formula. And we can use this to solve for x. Our first step is to multiply by sigma. That eliminates the fraction. The next step, and the last step in fact, is add mu. Well, that's not looking. There we go. That was a below average for sure. We have, and I'm going to write x first, mu plus z sigma. So we have, let's try that again. What have I done? Oh, add. That's what I did wrong. Add. I was right. It's in my memory bank, so I was like, something's wrong. Mu plus z sigma. So again, two steps from the formula. Multiply by sigma. The sigma gets attached to the z multiplication. Then add the mu, and we have two terms, mu plus z sigma. So with this formula, x equals mu plus z sigma, we can just plug in what we have. Mu is 48. Plus z, in this case z is negative, so I'll put it in parentheses. And sigma is 6. And now as far as the units go, let me tag along the units. This is pounds, and this is pounds. And the z-score itself, this negative 0.37, is unitless. So let's see what our calculator gives us for the real weight of this dog. 48 plus parenthesis negative 0.37 parenthesis times 6, 45.78. Okay, that's all it takes. Now you might not, and probably not, be given this formula, so you want to practice a few times going from the z-score formula, where it's z equals, to the real-world version of it, where it's x equals. Go ahead and practice that and apply it as you pause the video and work on the two problems on the right. Okay, the first one should be 7.735 pounds. And the second one should be 5.79896 grams. I did no rounding just to make sure I got full credit. If there are rounding instructions, go ahead and do so. The only rounding instructions in general are z-scores or 2 decimal places in most cases. But as far as the real-world values, we don't really have any conventions. Okay, I hope this helps.